Hi, I'm Chuck from Cover Store, and today I'm going to show you how to clean a grill cover. Last night, unfortunately, we had a major storm come through, and as you can see, our cover did a great job of protecting the grill, but now we have to clean the cover. And in order to do that, we need a bucket of warm water, mild dish soap, a sponge or a soft bristle brush, plenty of hand towels, and a garden hose. Normally with small dirt or grease stains, we can clean them on the cover while the cover's still on the grill. But when the cover is as dirty as this one is, we need to take it off the grill and do a deep clean. After shaking all the loose dirt off the cover, you want to lay it on the ground because we're going to hose it off to get the rest of the dirt. After we've hosed down our cover, we want to mix our warm water with the mild dish soap. I like to use maybe from 4 to 10 droplets of soap. Pour it in the water, take my sponge, and begin to mix it up. Now I'm going to begin to remove the more stubborn stains that didn't come out when I hosed off the cover. Sometimes these stains may be ground in, or there may even be a little mold and mildew. In those cases, let the solution sit on the stain or the mold and mildew for a few minutes before attempting to take it off with either your sponge or your soft bristle brush. Okay, so we've successfully cleaned all of the remaining dirt off the cover. It looks pretty good. And again, if you have stingy dirt stains or even a little mold and mildew, letting the solution sit for a few minutes before you begin scrubbing, or a second application may be necessary in order to remove the stain. Also, a good idea, now that you have the cover off the grill, is take a look at the underside of the cover, and if it's dirty, follow the same steps in cleaning it as you did with the outside of the cover. Next, thoroughly rinse the side that you just scrubbed to remove all the remaining soap. And of course, you want to flip the cover over and do the same thing to the other side, and don't forget the end. Now that we've successfully scrubbed and rinsed all sides of the cover, pick it up, shake all the excess water off of it, and we want it to air dry in the sun. Cover Store doesn't recommend that you put a wet cover on a grill because it might rust the grill. If you have a small cover, you can drape it over an outdoor chair or maybe a fence. It should dry in about an hour, maybe 2 hours. For a larger cover such as this, we're going to put it on some beach towels and let it air dry in the sun. Okay, we've given the cover a chance to air dry in the sun, and we've installed it back on our grill. Looks like new. A couple of tips about cleaning your cover. One, we don't recommend that you use your washer. Doing so can hurt the water-resistant coating that we put especially on the cover. 2, make sure that your grill is completely clean and your cover is clean before installing your cover in the grill. If you've got a little bit of dust or dirt or even grease, go ahead and clean that off your grill before putting your cover on. We can help you with this Golden Care installation kit. We have a cleaner, a polish, and a degreaser that can help you clean your grill before you put your cover back on. Third, again, we want to make sure that your grill is completely dry and your cover is dry before you put it on your grill to avoid any possible rust. At Cover Store, we're passionate about helping you protect the things that you love. We have organization and cover products to meet your needs, and we look forward to seeing you at coverstore.com.